Welcome back again. It's Halloween time. You know, this is the Halloween drink you're waiting for, and we're coming out with another different kind of Halloween. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but spooky. Green Monster it is. Stay tuned, we're coming out with it. Alright. First ingredients, the blue cracker. Yes, blue cracker is one of the first ingredients for this Halloween drink. We use 1 ounce of blue cracker, and we're going to use back some coconut rum, Cocoa Mania. You could use any kind of coconut rum, whether Malibu or Cocoa Mania, Jamaican rum, any kind of coconut rum. 1 ounce as well. So we're going to use another juice to it. We're going to juice it up. Orange juice, any kind of juice you use, Jamaican style. Yeah, man. I don't know why they call it true juice, but I guess it's real juice. Lots of juice. Vodka again, Tito's. You could use any vodka of your choice. But what I said, it's a green Halloween drink, a splash of lime juice. That's a little bit. That's like a corkful, just to give it a flavor. And then we're gonna add some ice to it. Ice it up. And we're gonna give it a gentle shake. We're gonna not gentle. We're gonna shake the hell out of it. There we go. Yeah, man. This is the drink for Halloween. See, we got a skull head to put it into. Wow, I didn't have a taste yet, but this looks good. What I can do now is just tip some more blue cracker on top. Yeah, just give it that spooky look. Okay guys, you know we have to bring it out on the display. I don't know if everybody would like to have this drink, but it's a green monster. You know, Halloween spooky monster coming out. Looks good. Stay tuned for it. The display, so it's time to have a taste of this spooky Halloween. This is good. Can't drink too much of it because you're gonna feel like a monster. It's a good thing this is not real, else I'll be turning into a green monster.